My name is Jamie Hogue, and I'm a physician assistant with orthopedic surgery at CHRISTUS Trinity Clinic. I grew up in a small community, Holly Lake Ranch, not too far from Longview. I pretty much lived there my whole life until I went off to college, and it's a great community, very family-oriented. My family has impacted me both professionally and personally. They are kind of what I call my everything, and so I try to take that to work with me when I go in and treat patients, and I know that when I'm taking care of an individual, I try to remember that I'm taking care of someone's everything, and so I kind of keep that close to heart and take that with me on a daily basis. Science, biology, those things have always interested me, early on, and so I think that's kind of driven me growing up and education-wise. But I've always had the desire to be the caregiver. My mother was a nurse, so I've kind of always just been surrounded in that, in my education and at home, and so it was kind of a no-brainer. One of the things that's most gratifying for me is it's really tangible for me what we get to do. When someone comes in, say for instance with knee pain, and whether it's from arthritis or an injury, and it's really affecting their quality of life, and you get to implement treatment, and then you see them from maybe being sedentary or not living an active lifestyle because of their injury or their knee pain or arthritis, and then suddenly they're better because of their treatment, and then they're out and active again, and so it's something you can really see transition from inactive or in pain to suddenly better, and so it's something you can lay hands on and see their changes right before your eyes, and it really impacts their life, and for me that's real gratifying. First and foremost, do your best every day. Every day, give 100%, because that individual or that patient, as kind of I mentioned before, that is someone else's everything. Just like I mentioned my family, my people are my everything, and so is that person that you're taking care of to someone else, and so they deserve your very best every day. And customer service, take that next step for that individual, that patient, that person, to go above and beyond. And I think if you do that every day, everything else will follow.